Hey everybody, welcome to week 3 of distance learning. Just doing my little instruction video for you guys for the week. So I'll walk you through all your assignments, and as always, feel free to email me with any questions that come up during the week. I'll be doing a Google Meet on Wednesday from 1 to 1:30 if you want to check in. I'll put a sign up for that out on Tuesday night, so you guys can just leave your email or just leave your name and I can get your email, and I'll sign you up and send you a meeting invite. So here are your assignments for this week. So the very first thing you should be doing is going to Google Classroom, and you should be going to this distance learning website. So in case you need to remember on where to get the link, it's right here in the stream, distance learning website. You open it up and it looks like this. And we're on week 3, so you're going to click week 3, Industrial Revolution. So this week you're going to be learning about some inventions that happened. So this is one of my favorite time periods in history because the world changed so quickly. So as always, your assignments are assigned on Monday and they're going to be due on Friday. You should do these ones in order. And after you finish all 4, I've actually included some extra bonus assignments if you want to do those as well. So here's your suggested timeline for this week. You can read through that if you need to. And now let's get into the tasks. So your first task is just another Google check-in or Google form check-in to do with me. So click on the link, do the quick survey, and turn that in, and that should just take you less than 5 minutes. Easy cheesy. Task number 2 is another Edpuzzle video. So we've been using these to sort of set the stage for what you guys are learning about. So log into Edpuzzle and you're going to be looking for the video titled How Inventions Changed History. It's about 5 minutes long. There is a good number of questions that go with it. So make sure to leave a little time to rewind and go back. Task number 3 is some reading and questions. So to get task number 3, you actually need to hop over to Google Classroom. I'll show you where it is in a second. So task number 3, you're going to be doing some reading. There's questions that go along with it, like I just mentioned. And I actually did an audio recording to go with the reading. So I'll show you how that will work. And I'm just going to tell you about task 4 right now, and then I'll jump over to Classroom and show you where they both are. So task 4 is another sort of Google slideshow with some videos and questions. So you're going to want to head over to Classroom to locate that. These 2 might take you a little bit of time. This is probably the most reading that we've done when we've been doing this distance learning. So don't leave them until the very last minute. You might want to spread it out and do this one day and this one another day. So let's just take a look at where you can find these 2 readings and questions. So if you go to Google Classroom, you're going to be looking for classwork, and you're going to be looking for this one. It's grayed out because I haven't posted it yet. But look for Industrial Revolution work and click on it. You're going to see there's 2 slideshows. One is the Industrial Revolution reading. We'll open it up. It looks like this. So there's 2 pages of reading. It's a little slow. And there's some questions. So you'll do the reading. If you want to listen to me read it to you, you just tap this button right here. And then you answer the questions by tapping here on your iPad or clicking in here on your laptop and typing in your answers. So that is task 3. Task 4 is located in the same spot. It's Important Invention slideshow. So you open it up and you're going to see that on each slide there is a video with questions, or with a question in this case, and you're going to watch the video and type the answers. When these 2 things are done, all you have to do is click Turn In. It's not showing up on my end, but it will on yours. And that will take care of task 3 and task 4. So again, this week we're just doing a Google form. We're doing an Edpuzzle. And then you're going to pop over to Classroom and do these 2 sort of readings and videos. After you're done with all those things, if you want to do a little bit more, we have some bonus stuff right down here. The Google Meet, which I mentioned, will be happening. We're going to do a Gimkin on Friday with Mr. Peterson's class. So that's going to take place from 1 to 1:30. It's going to be open for all of grade 8. And you're going to be able to look for the Infinity Google Classroom page and that's where all the information will be posted. The last optional assignment is to do an invention commercial or poster. So you're going to create me a commercial or poster for any invention that has been created. So it could be an iPhone, it could be a Nintendo Switch, it could be, I don't even know. But you're going to create a commercial or poster. You can email it to me. Make it over the top. Think of flex tape. I've linked the YouTube video if you want to watch it. Just make it goofy. All right, so those are the instructions for this week. I'll be in touch with you guys throughout the week like I always am. And if anything comes up that you have questions about, feel free to email me. Okay? Have a good day and a good week.